If I'm being honest, Renovia Hair Removal Serum feels like one of those products that grows on you over time rather than impressing you instantly. At first, you might not notice anything dramatic, especially if you're used to quick fixes like shaving or hair removal creams. But the more consistently you use it, the more you start to appreciate what it's actually doing. Instead of just removing hair for a few days, it slowly works on reducing how fast and thick it grows back, and that's where it starts to feel worth it. What I personally like about it is how gentle and easy it feels. There's no burning, no strong chemical smell, and no irritation, which is such a relief if your skin usually reacts badly to waxing or creams. It almost feels like you're just applying a light oil or serum, and over time your skin actually feels softer and smoother too, not just hair-free. That added skincare benefit makes a big difference because you're not just removing hair, you're also taking care of your skin in the process. Another thing that stands out is how low effort it is. You don't need to set aside extra time or go through any painful routine. Just apply it regularly after your usual hair removal, and slowly you may notice that the regrowth isn't as annoying as before. It becomes thinner, lighter, and less frequent, which honestly makes life a lot easier. Overall, I'd say it's worth it if you're patient and looking for a long-term solution rather than an instant result. It's not magic overnight, but it feels like a smarter, more skin-friendly way to deal with unwanted hair. If you stick with it, the gradual results can actually be pretty satisfying.